In this video, we are going to solve a problem on assigning RS configuration. They are given two compounds in Fisher projection. What is the relation between them? That is the question. In order to find out that, you have to assign RS configuration for these two chiral centers and you have to check whether they are enantiomer, diastereomer, identical or epimers. Generally, when there are only two chiral centers, you cannot go for epimers. Epimers and diastereomers will be same in the case of two chiral center system. How to assign RS configuration for this Fisher projection? Let us consider this carbon atom first. There are four groups or atoms attached to that: OH, CH3 and this group, then hydrogen. Here the first atom is hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, carbon. Oxygen has higher atomic number, so this gets higher priority. Second one, CH3, here CBr, so this should get higher priority. Third one, CH3 and this 4. When I connect 1 to 3, what I get is R. But when the least priority is in the horizontal line, you have to just invert that. So that is, this is S. Now let us go for this. Br gets higher priority. Second one goes to this. Third here. Fourth hydrogen. When I connect this, it is R. The least priority is in horizontal line. So I have to just invert that. So that is S. So this is SS. Whatever I get for this compound, if it is RR, that means these two are enantiomer. If it is SS, then both are identical. If it is RS, then they are diastereomers. Let us try that. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. I try to connect this. What I get is yes. When the least priority is in the vertical line, I have to give as such. When it is in the horizontal line, I just inverted. But when it is in the vertical line, I have to assign as such. I go for this. Br gets higher priority. The second one goes here. Third one goes for C2H5. Fourth one hydrogen. It is basically R. But the least priority, it is in horizontal line. So I have to invert that. So yes. So all the chiral centers, they are S. The same compound, it has been given in this format. So they are identical. If you are clever enough, you can predict based on exchanging the groups. When you exchange the groups once, the configuration will get inverted. When you exchange twice, it will be same. For example, let us go for this carbon atom. These three groups. I go for exchanging this CH3 and OH. That is, CH3 will be here, OH will be here. During that time, the S will become R. Now, what I do, the OH, whatever is present here, that I exchange with this hydrogen to get this. So I have gone for double exchange. The configuration will not change. It will be S again. Similarly, in this case, C2H5 is exchanged with hydrogen. So you can see here, then hydrogen will be here, which I exchange with Br. So double exchange. Configuration will remain same after double exchange.